Hello, hello. Hey, it is Tamara. It is Monday. It's 2 o'clock, and I am here in our big Abōde family. Hopefully, you guys had a great weekend. We had bunches of fun. We went to the beach with Winston in our new truck camper and had a blast. It was really fun. There's sand everywhere. But, you know, when you go to the beach, there's sand everywhere. So, really simple today, only because I'm in the midst of like cleaning everything, right? Since we got back. And I was out of my stain spray that I make. Okay, super easy. This is I think it's a 4-ounce bottle. I think it's a 4-ounce bottle. It would work in any size because you're pretty much just going to do half and half, and then your 10 drops of lemon. So I put the middle one here. It's the recipe also. So it's half of OnGuard detergent and half of water. If you're going to use it over a slower period of time, I would use distilled water, right? Because there's no bacteria or anything in there. Or you can use purified water. But if you're going to use tap water, you want to use it sooner. And then it's just 10 drops of lemon essential oil. Works really, really good. How you use it is you put it on your, whenever you have a stain on, you spray it on there. This is kind of a stream sprayer. I think you can see it. It's just a little hole in the center there. So it's kind of a stream sprayer. So then I rub them together, right, where the stain is. If you had a little brush, you could brush right on that stain. And then you want to let it sit. Don't put it right in the washing machine. You want to let it sit a little bit. If it dries, it's okay. And then wash it. Okay? So super easy to make. It's just half of the OnGuard detergent and then half of water. I'm going to stand, if you can see right there. So we're going to go half. You can also use the OnGuard detergent. Where are we at? A little bit more. It's not an exact science, so if you get more of one and not of the other, it's totally fine. You can also use the OnGuard detergent or the concentrated cleaner spray. You can use that in a roller bottle just by itself, you know, with the roller top on it, right? And carry that in your purse or whatever. So if you're out and you get a stain, roll it where the stain is. It'll dry. It won't make it like disappear, right? But you'll have treated the stain, and then when you go home and can wash it, then it's already treated, right? Okay, so we did half of that. I'm going to put in my 10 drops of oil now so that I can fill it with water, right? 9, 10. Okay. And I'm usually, before I use this, I usually shake it up just a little bit. Don't know if you really have to. I do. Don't shake it too much because it'll create, I can't see where the water is. It'll create too many bubbles. Alright. So I filled it to just about where it starts to get skinny, right, with water. And then I'm going to put my little top back in. I think I got the tops at, I don't know, your Oil Tools or Oil Life. I forget which one. Anyway, if you just kind of rotate it back and forth, it will mix it up. You don't have to like shake it. But if you do that each time before you use it, that way if it has separated, right, I don't think it would very much, other than the lemon oil might sit on top, but with the detergent in there, it probably doesn't, right? It gives it that emulsification so it can be distributed. Anyway, I do that a little bit and then literally just spritz it on your clothes, let it sit. So if you've got, you know, something that's stained, wash a load beforehand, but treat whatever it is, let that laundry go, and then do the next load with the one that you treated, right? So that's a really good thing to use. I find it works really, really well. I know people have used it with like baby stains and things like that, and that seems to work really well. Whether it's food or spit up or whatever, right, with babies. Other things that are good, so like I said, you can make just a stain stick with a roller ball, and you can just fill it with the detergent, or you can fill it with the concentrated cleaner, either or, that'll work. I like to put on the concentrated cleaner, I like to put the spray top on it. Makes it so much easier for myself, because then when I go to like do the sinks and the tubs and the toilets and things like that, I literally put the baking soda in and then spritz this on top of it, kind of thing, and then just kind of let it sit and then scrub it. You can also make your soft scrub, right? If you like to make your own soft scrub, you take your baking soda in a bowl and then add, I don't know, maybe 5, 6 sprays of this. A little bit of dish soap, whatever dish soap you use. The doTERRA stuff is great. Just like a little squeeze. And then enough water to make it the consistency that you want. Make sure you're adding some citrus oil, whether it's lemon. I like grapefruit because I think grapefruit smells fabulous. But tangerine, green mandarin, lemon, lime, grapefruit, what else did I say? Any of those will work really well. It helps to kind of cut through any like greasy, grimy stuff, okay? And then you put your soft scrub in and scrub, and it works really well. It smells really good. Those are the two OnGuard cleaning things. There's also, I'm looking at the Essential Life book here, right? And we also have the Abōde blend. So there is there's a dish soap. That's the one that I use. I really like that one. I don't use their dispensers because I like the squeeze bottles. So what I do is I repurpose my OnGuard squeeze, their squeeze bottles, right? And I put the regular, like this. I put the regular squeezy top on it. That's just me. That's how I like to do it. So, so I have a whole bunch of, and if they all say OnGuard concentrated cleaner, you can throw, like on this one I did vinegar, because I like to clean my veggies and stuff with vinegar, so I just put a label on it. So now you know, right? Super simple. So I like the dish soap, the Abōde dish soap a lot. They have a foaming hand wash, they have a hand lotion. They do have an essential oil, so the Abōde essential oil, right, the blend, would be a great one to add if you didn't want to use lemon, if you want to change it up, right? That'd be a good one to add to your cleaning, your stain spray. There's also laundry pods in the Abōde line. So they're little laundry pods, right? So you can just toss them in your laundry. There's a dish scrubber. There's dryer balls, like the dryer balls. I have those. There's a concentrated multi-purpose cleaner. So if you're not a fan of the OnGuard, whether you don't like the aroma or you just feel like it doesn't work well enough, the multi-surface cleaner comes in a concentrate, and then you fill it with water, right? So you put the whole bottle of the concentrate. It's a smaller bottle. And then you add water to it, and it would, make another spray thing, right? That you could use to clean things. There's also dishwasher pods that you can use in the Abōde line. And those are kind of all of the cleansers. You can always do your own, make your own cleanser with any citrus oil, or OnGuard is good, clove is good, thyme is good because they all have cleaning properties in them. Citrus ones are just kind of the favorite because they smell the best, right? But cinnamon and clove smell really good too. If you had that to like wild orange. There's one that I didn't mention. So you can make your own cleaners. They're super simple to make. I mean, as easy as in a spray bottle, adding water, some drops of your citrus oil, and then maybe a little bit of vinegar, depending on what you're trying to clean, right? And then just spray away and wipe. Super simple. If you're cleaning your windows, you do want to add the vinegar to it because that helps leave it less streaky, right? And it dries faster. You could also add some vodka So I make a floor cleaner that I really like, and it's water, a little bit of vodka because it helps it dry faster. There's just not water sitting on the floor. So it has water, vodka. I think it has tea tree, right? Real good. That has cleaning properties too, so you could add that to your cleanser. Wild orange, and I think it has clove in it. Those three. It smells really good whenever I mop the floor. It just smells so yummy in here. It's really nice. But super, super easy to make your own cleansers. I will throw up an ebook in the comments after this so that you have a whole bunch of ideas of cleansers that you can make. But this stain spray, super easy. Really like it. It works great. That's why I keep making it, right? And why it was empty. I must be a really dirty eater person. Get stains all over myself, right? So, yeah. That's all I got for you today. I hope you guys have a great rest of your Monday. If there is a cleaning recipe that you really like, you know, if you like the Abōde stuff better than the OnGuard stuff, or if you like the OnGuard better than the Abōde stuff, throw that in the comments. I'm kind of curious as to which one you like better. I tend to gravitate towards the OnGuard because I like the way it smells better. They both work great. I just like the way the OnGuard smells. So, and I like to repurpose the little bottles. So, win-win, right? I get to use it and then I get to reuse the bottle again. So, all right. You guys have a great rest of your Monday, and I will talk to you later. Okay?